Wow, I'm so near. Oh yeah, it's very near. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Good morning guys. Here again. I'm on the road. I'm going to work because I'm late. It's almost 10 o'clock. Oh no, it's 10 o'clock already. So I am very late. I have to go fast so that I can catch up. Oh yeah. It's very gloomy. I think it's gonna rain, but not sure, huh? Because still it's very hot. It's very hot. It's very humid. Just got a gas from a gasoline station here because I don't have gas anymore. I don't want to stuck on a highway because of no gas, so I have to charge up also. So anyways guys, I'm going to the office as what I said, and I'll be back, okay? Just chilling here. Let's enjoy the ride. Yeah. I have a mission today. It's a top secret mission. I will not say it here because it's a top secret. It's a very dangerous mission. No, it's not like that. It's not like a Pokemon Go thing. No, because Pokemon Go is not available in our country. It sucks. Still not available. Anyways, my mission, by the way, is just installing servers, troubleshooting client computers, installing a pfSense software. What else? It's just my regular everyday work as an IT software engineer. Yeah, and I know it's so boring. Anyways, I enjoy it. I enjoy a lot. Like computers, installing servers, networking. Oh, yeah, you name it. That's my work. I'm almost there, so can't beat the traffic. Have you heard that Windows 10 will end up the free upgrade this July 29? That's tomorrow, guys. If you like the Windows 10, go ahead and download it now because it will end this July 29. You're using Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1. This is your last chance to upgrade to Windows 10 if you like Windows 10, by the way. Wow, I'm so near. Here in the office. Oh yeah, it's very near. Oh my god. Pass through tight security. They would scan my car. They would scan me. They will I don't know. There's plenty. Can you see in the background? Yeah. That's the tightest security I ever passed. Where I gonna park? I gonna. It's very far. Gonna park here. Gonna park here. Gonna park here. Here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. I'm here. Just arrived safely. done here. I'm going home. By the way, no one is here. I'm the last person to leave the office because I'm still doing a backup here. Look at that. Look at that. Why am always the last person to leave the office? Yeah, it's okay because I'm the last person to arrive here in the office. Bye bye office. Now the mission is done. So I'm going out to this tight security here, and yeah, I'm going out the gate because I have to fetch my wife. I'm all here, so gotta go.
Pero hinay yun, masin natin atong kahinay na ang ato dering Leon Kilat ikan sa Imol padusog na rin sa
That's a traffic advisory. I don't know if you understand Bisaya listening right now because I don't know where I will go. All streets are flooded with cars. Oh my god. If you're stuck on the traffic, just put more patience on yourself, okay? I always do that actually. Oh.